Have you ever asked a question online and received an instant, helpful reply from a non-human? You were likely interacting with a chatbot. These intelligent programs are transforming how we communicate with technology. Chatbots are more than just automated responses. They represent a fascinating application of artificial intelligence. Understanding how they function reveals the power of modern computing. Today, we'll explore the inner workings of these digital conversationalists. Imagine you're talking to a computer program that understands your questions and gives helpful answers. That's essentially what a chatbot is. These digital assistants are becoming a common part of our daily lives, from customer service to educational tools. They are designed to simulate human conversation through text or voice. Their goal is to provide information, complete tasks, or simply engage in dialogue. This interaction feels natural, almost like speaking to another person. At the core of every advanced chatbot lies artificial intelligence. Specifically, two key AI fields make these conversations possible: natural language processing and machine learning. These technologies allow chatbots to interpret and generate human-like language. Natural language processing, or NLP, is how computers understand what we say or type. Machine learning, on the other hand, enables chatbots to learn from data and improve their performance over time. Together, they create a powerful conversational engine. When you type a message to a chatbot, NLP immediately springs into action. First, it breaks down your sentence into smaller units, like individual words, in a process called tokenization. Then, it analyzes the grammatical structure and identifies key entities. This analysis helps the chatbot grasp the intent behind your words. Are you asking a question, making a request, or expressing a sentiment? NLP deciphers your meaning, even with variations in phrasing. It's like the chatbot's way of listening carefully. Once the chatbot understands your intent, it needs to formulate a relevant response. This is where response generation comes in. Some chatbots use rule-based systems, following pre-programmed scripts for specific keywords or phrases. More advanced chatbots employ generative models, which can create unique, contextually appropriate sentences. These models draw upon vast amounts of data to construct replies that sound natural and informative. They don't just pick from a list, they compose. Chatbots get smarter through machine learning. Every interaction provides valuable data, helping the chatbot refine its understanding and improve its responses. This continuous learning process is crucial for their evolution. When a chatbot makes a mistake or receives feedback, it adjusts its internal models. This feedback loop allows it to adapt to new information and better serve users in the future. It's like a student constantly learning from their experiences. Not all chatbots are created equal. Simple rule-based chatbots follow a strict set of predefined rules and can only answer specific questions. They are excellent for frequently asked questions with clear answers. AI-powered chatbots, however, are far more flexible. They use NLP and machine learning to understand complex queries and engage in more dynamic conversations. These are the chatbots that truly feel like they're thinking. The capabilities of chatbots are constantly expanding. We're seeing them integrate with more complex systems, offering personalized experiences and handling increasingly sophisticated tasks. Their role in education, healthcare, and customer service will only grow. As AI technology advances, chatbots will become even more intuitive and human-like. They will continue to revolutionize how we access information and interact with digital services. The future of conversation is undoubtedly intertwined with these intelligent agents. From simple customer service tools to sophisticated educational assistants, chatbots are powered by incredible AI technologies. Natural language processing helps them understand us, and machine learning allows them to learn and improve. These digital companions are not just a convenience. They are a testament to the power of artificial intelligence. As students, understanding how they work gives you insight into a rapidly evolving field. The world of AI and conversation is just beginning.